Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and the novelty of my new donut pan has not yet worn off, so I am doing another donut video for today. Now this recipe is pretty much following the directions of the box, but just reducing a few of those items. So the half cup of vegetable oil, I changed to a quarter cup of vegetable oil, and I also eliminated 2 eggs, so we're only using 1 egg instead. I also added in a healthy dose of lemon zest and some frozen raspberries. I must admit that I tried to do something else with this box cake mix before, so I had to actually restart. So this is the second time I am doing this, but I will share that with you on Fail Friday and show you how I fixed my mistake. In order to avoid any more fails, I decided to consult another recipe, so I will put that down in the description box below. Anytime you're using your donut pan, even if it's non-stick, you do want to make sure that you butter it generously, or alternatively, you can use a spray. And go ahead and pipe around 1 ring. You want to kind of fill this to about 3/4 of the way, but I am slowly learning that certain batters bake up in different ways. You do want to make it pretty full, but not too full. And mine went into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or so. I'm going to use some white chocolate to top my donuts. These donuts are very tart because of all of that zest and the raspberries, so they do really well with a nice sweet topping. To get a lightly marbled effect, all I did was I took food coloring that is specifically used for chocolate. Don't use water-based ones or else it'll all seize up. And then I mixed it around a little bit, and then I added some white in there as well. The more marbled effect that you want, of course, the less you're going to mix. Whenever I'm working with chocolate, I don't like to sprinkle right away because sometimes I find that the sprinkles sink into the chocolate. So I wait just a little bit right before it turns opaque to add on my sprinkles. And I'm really loving making my donuts this way with a little rose in the center. It just looks so beautiful, but I do add some different things on as well. I put some raspberries in there, and you could also just leave it plain with nothing in the center whatsoever. And some edible gold to finish. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!